Rashid?
Hello, how are you doing? You okay?
I'm good. It's Christian from BOTB. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Very well.
Good. Now, I saw that you have some good news.
Yes, yeah. I'll buy a few tickets and then straight away revealed the results. And at first I thought, oh, there's nothing there. But then I seen it there and it said win 10,000. So I was like, wow, fantastic.
Mate, massive congratulations. £10,000 instant win.
Yes, yeah. So I'm over the moon with that.
As I would be. Yeah, amazing. Now, I'm just going to hazard a guess. You're at work at Tesco at the moment.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, I could see you in your uniform, looking good. How is the day going?
So far, so good.
Fantastic. Who was the first person you told when you won the £10,000?
To be fair, it was one of my friends straight away. So yeah, one of my friends. They were like, "No way, you're not telling the truth, are you?" Yeah, and I'm like, "Yeah, seriously, I have one," and I showed him. He's like, "I still don't believe you. So yeah.
What are you going to do with the money?
To be fair, I think I'm going to put it towards a motorbike that I've been hoping for. So I'm in for my Mod 1 and Mod 2 tests. So it's going to go towards the motorbike funding.
Fantastic. What was your first, when you saw that instant win come up with the 10,000, what was the first thing that went into your head?
Kind of blank, really. I was like, no, it can't be real. And then sort of after, I was kind of like spending it in my head, like, oh, what can I buy? Oh yeah, no, I'll buy.
Amazing. Huge congratulations. We'll send that 10 grand over to you ASAP and enjoy it. If you're going to buy your motorbike, have fun on that.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
No worries. Have a great day at work.
And you too. Thank you. Ta-ra.
Cheers. Bye.